Hey everyone, I'm Tanu Sahu, a full stack developer with 6+ years of experience. Today I'm sharing a 10 essential VS Code extension that will improve your coding speed, debugging, workflows, and overall productivity as a full stack developer. So let's start. So the first VS Code extension we are discussing here, it's an error lens. Error lens makes your code error and warning instantly visible inside the editor. No more checking the problem panel, debugging become much faster. The second VS Code extension we are discussing here, it's ESLint. ESLint keep your code clean and consistent. It catches mistakes before they become bugs and enforce best practices in JavaScript and TypeScript projects. The third extension is Git Graph. Git Graph gives you a clear visual view of your Git branches and commits, perfect for managing merging, checking history, and tracking your Git workflows. The fourth extension we are discussing, it's GitHub Copilot. Copilot is your AI code assistant. It suggests lines, function, component, and event test, helping you build faster on both front end and back end. The fifth extension is GitLens. GitLens add deeps Git insights. You can see who wrote a specific line and what changes and what happened and why happened. And great for understanding code history. The sixth extension is MongoDB for VS Code. This extension lets you connect to MongoDB directly in VS Code, browse collection, run queries, view documents, no external database UI needed. The seventh extension is Prettier ESLint. Prettier ESLint formats your code automatically. It keeps everything neat, readable, and consistent across your entire project. The eighth extension is Tabnine. The Tabnine is an autocomplete AI tools. It learns from your coding style and gives a smart context-aware suggestion. And the ninth extension we are discussing, it's an Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. For Tailwind users, this is must have. It provides autocomplete class suggestion, color prevision, and fast UI development. The last but not the least is Thunder Client. The Thunder Client is lightweight Postman alternative inside the VS Code. Like we have to test the API, so we are going to in the Postman. So instead of using Postman, we can use Thunder Client, and it we can use by installing the extension in a VS Code. So you can test your API quickly without switching apps. Perfect for backend workflows. And these are the 10 extension we will make you full stack workflows smoother, faster, and much more efficient. uh, Thanks for watching. I'm Tanu Sahu and see you in the next video.